Hey, what's up, folks? How is it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. Today's interview question is about Kube-Proxy. What is Kube-Proxy in Kubernetes? We show one example and how to see logs, where it's running, and also there will be quiz at the end. So please stay till the end and participate in the quiz. Now I will be sharing my screen. Okay. So what is the role of Kube-Proxy in Kubernetes? So here we can see that there is a master node and then worker node where we have different pods running. And in the node, we also have kubelet and Kube-Proxy. So kubelet, we already have seen in the previous video that it monitors the pod and it starts, restarts the pod, etc. Where Kube-Proxy is responsible for the traffic management. Let's say there is a pod and this pod wants to talk to this pod, right? So it can go via Kube-Proxy. Kube-Proxy will be routing the traffic to pod, another pod, inside the same node. Or it wants to talk to this pod. So it will be going via Kube-Proxy and it might have exposed some service. Maybe this is the front end, this is the back end. So this guy might be talk to the back end. So it will be going via Kube-Proxy to the back end, where backends are. So all the communication traffic routing from one pod to another pod, one pod to service, one pod to external client. All this will be handled by this Kube-Proxy. There will be some IP tables. It will be doing lookup and check where the traffic routing will be happening. So let's go to the definition. What is Kube-Proxy? It's a networking component that runs on each node in a Kubernetes cluster. It ensures communication between pods and services inside the cluster. It implements service discovery and load balancing for traffic routing. Why do we need Kube-Proxy? Because it allows pods to communicate with each other and with external client. So it handles the communication part. It maintains network rules to ensure traffic reaches the right destination. Ensures load balancing between multiple pods in a service. So it watches API, how Kube-Proxy works. It watches the Kubernetes API server for service and endpoint changes. If there are any endpoint changes, service changes, it updates IP table, IPVs, or user space rules to allow traffic correctly. And then forward traffic from services cluster IP to appropriate pods. So there are different modes of operation. IP table is the default mode, uses IP table rules to route traffic efficiently. More efficient mode is IPVs, IP virtual server. IPVs for high performance routing, and user space is a legacy one. Okay, so let's go through, like, see whether Kube-Proxy is running. So I will see what are the pods running in the system, Kube systems. So normally we say kubectl get pods, but here now we'll be checking what is running in Kube system namespace. So on the system pods, these are system pods, and Kube-Proxy is also there. Kube-Proxy can see Kube-Proxy. So we have Kube-Proxy running. And when we check Kube-Proxy logs, the kubectl logs -n Kube system, and then let's -n kts app Kube-Proxy. So this is the Kube-Proxy log. Getting user kubectl logs -n Kube system -n kts app Kubernetes app equal to Kube-Proxy. So we have the item printed on the log. So key benefits of Kube-Proxy: enables pod to service communication, multiple backend pods for high availability, service discovery, and load balancing. Now let's go to quiz section. I post a lot of quiz on my Devops Challenge page, and you can go and participate in the contest. Today's quiz is: what is the primary role of Kube-Proxy in Kubernetes? managing pod lifecycle, enforcing network policies, load balancing and forwarding network traffic to backend pods, managing Kubernetes 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬. So answer is C. Load balancing and forwarding network traffic to backend pods. Kube-Proxy does the load balancing and forwarding traffic to backend pods. Next question is, which network mode does Kube-Proxy use by default? We have seen earlier. IP table mode is the networking mode Kube-Proxy uses by default. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please follow my LinkedIn page, Devops 𝐒𝐞𝐬. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Also follow my WhatsApp channel and participate in quiz daily. And I publish top 25 list every month. So thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.